Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce as we guide you through the process of creating a simple product. Having an efficient product creation process is essential for any online business, and we're here to make sure you have a seamless experience. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Stock&Buy account. Once you're logged in, proceed to the inventory module and click on Products View. Here's the products view. Imagine this as your virtual store shelf wherein you organize most of your products. First, let's define what is a simple product. A simple product is a type of product that is a standalone item devoid of any variations or customization possibilities. To create a simple product, click on the plus button right here. Once you click this, it will take you to another interface. Welcome to the product creation stage. Here, you'll provide basic information about your product. This includes the product name, description, and any other details that will help your customers understand what they're looking at. So here, I already provided a name for my product, which is wooden hair comb. I have described it as a handcrafted one. As you can see, I've also already filled in the brand and supplier information for this hair comb. To streamline your ordering process, it's essential to set up your suppliers in the contacts module and assign them to each product. This way, when you place orders with your suppliers, you won't need to enter their information repeatedly. It will already be pre-configured. Now, for taxes, make sure you've added the appropriate tax codes in your account settings. You can assign the correct tax to each product. Now, let's move forward. You can improve your product listing by adding images. High-quality pictures from various angles can make your product more appealing and help it stand out. It's important to remember that these images are primarily for your customers. They play a crucial role in convincing potential buyers that your product is precisely what they're searching for. Click the Upload Image button to add images. I have already uploaded the image for my product. Next, let's talk about group and organization. Keep your store tidy by grouping products into categories and adding relevant tags. This makes shopping and inventory management smoother. Let's say this product falls under the category combs. It's a way to organize and make it easier for customers to find what they need. Now, let's specify the product type. In this case, it's a simple product. Categorizing by product type helps when you have a variety of products in your store. Grouping and organization are totally up to you, and make use of them to your advantage. If you ever need to find a specific type, you can easily filter your products. Just search for the product type like simple. Now, let's move on to inventory. Accurate inventory management is crucial to avoid running out of stock and disappointing your customers. You can put important product information in the inventory section, such as the SKU or the stock keeping unit of your product, the supplier SKU, the barcode number, and the quantity number, which you can define. So every time you make a purchase order for this, the set number will automatically infiltrate the number to order. You can make further adjustments by clicking the View button. When you do this, a window will appear, giving you the option to choose whether you want to monitor the quantities of your products. Small businesses or those with limited resources often choose to monitor high-value or popular items, while omitting the tracking of less important or less in-demand items. This helps save time and reduce expenses, but the decision is entirely up to you. You also have the option to allow selling products even when they're out of stock. Additionally, you can establish the default unit of measure for your product right here. Furthermore, you'll see here your warehouse locations. For each warehouse, you can specify the number of items you currently have in stock, the number of items that have already been assigned to sales orders. This is called allocated. The buffer stock, which is reserved and already subtracted from your available stock. Then, available stock represents the quantity of items that customers can order or see in your store. The incoming stock. This is the quantity of stock you've ordered from your supplier and are expecting to receive. Alert level. By setting a specific number here, you'll be alerted when your stock reaches or drops below that threshold, indicating that it's time to restock your products. Finally, it's time to set the price for your product. Enter the appropriate pricing information to complete the setup. Here, you can set the retail price, the retail compare at price, wholesale price, purchase price, and lastly, your moving average cost. Congratulations! You've just created a simple product from start to finish. By following the steps, you're well on your way to building a robust and easy to navigate product lineup for your online store. Bye!